You just have to be very cognizant of, separating laps and corners and trying to constantly, even going into, that braking zone, remembering to release it. But for me, a lot of the time, once you feel, that you gain a bit of time, or you feel, when you release the brake, the car rolls better, or vice versa, it starts to ingrain in the more laps that you do. But yeah, it's very car dependent, that one too. The GT car is a good example where, depending on packer gaps, sometimes it really likes a lot of trail, really low amounts of trail going into the corner, and keeps it rotating. But then if the packer gap's pretty close, you want to get off the brake and let it roll so it's not oversaturating the tire. So yeah, you just have to really understand what you need for each corner, keep trying it in different ways, and then find what works the best, because it does change each track, each car you drive, and even the small setup changes that you do. So find what works best.